Hey, Matt, you get a little excited. You feel something blowing in the wind, huh?
Feel it, smell it, sense it, see it scientifically also, more importantly, probably. It's not, it's an art and a science, as I tell a lot of people, to forecasting weather. But yeah, we are definitely talking about what I consider to be a pretty profound pattern change here as we make our way into the next couple of days. Good. And kind of slept over the fact that at 4:13 this afternoon, we actually did get up to 109. So we did tie a record going back to 1979. Something about the years ending with the number 9 gives us record. So I guess that was 40 years ago, hard to believe. Average high 101 and 111 up in Phoenix. And as often I say, preceding rain, we often get some very hot temperatures. I think that 109 is also the hottest now we've seen so far this year, as we have not hit 110. 103 last check at the airport, so still plenty hot, but fortunately 6 degrees cooler than that 109 that we saw just about 2 hours ago. 37 the dew point, northwest winds at 12 miles per hour, and we're still all above 100 degrees in all locations across Tucson, with the exception of Mount Lemmon, but elevation, that changes the ball game always altogether for that matter. 93 in Sonoyta, still 99 down in Nogales, and our trend for tonight, we're going to deal with triple digits still at 7 o'clock, close call even at 8 o'clock, so do expect a very warm night of weather. This is what John was talking about, some light drizzle, maybe some just clouds. Hard to tell if this is reaching the ground or not. My indications would probably say this is not reaching the ground. Of course, we're talking about raindrops at this point in time, but across northern sections of Sonora it certainly is, and that's because we do have this area of high pressure, a monsoon high, that looks like it wants to move a little bit farther to the north in the Four Corners, and that puts us into a pretty favorable position to usher in storm chances. So we're going to usher back in our monsoon prediction index and keep it at a 2 out of 10 for Tucson tomorrow, 3 out of 10 Nogales, Sierra Vista, and Douglas. Let's kind of uncover what that really means. I think for a hail standpoint and a flood standpoint, our impacts are going to be pretty low, but wind, yeah, sure. Oftentimes we get dry thunderstorms, we can get very gusty winds, and with the lack of rain in the recent weeks, well, that puts the potential for blowing dust at pretty high tomorrow as well. Futurecast, I don't think handling things as well as what reality is going to say. Certainly does show that increase of moisture tomorrow, not putting a lot of green on the weather map, but as we start making our way into the day Friday, we see a little bit more green on the map, good enough to at least go with a more scattered showers and thunderstorms. And let's not sleep on Saturday. Look at that big green blob over the city of Tucson. 20% chance of storms tomorrow for the city of Tucson. 106 for the high temp. We'll see temperatures tonight into the 60s and 70s for Cochise and Santa Cruz County, with daytime highs into the 90s with a 30% chance of storms. And your 7-day forecast looks like this. 106 tomorrow, 20% chance of storms, 30% likelihood come Friday or Saturday. Still hot, back to 20%. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, maybe another uptick by Wednesday. So, Angelique, for the next 7 days, for the first time, we can say we have rain chances each and every day. Not great chances, decent chances. And for the first time all year, we have them for the forecast. How about that? Looking good.
Okay, it's something, right?
Bring in monsoon 2019 into full force.
There you go. Bring it on. All right, Matt.